This video is about Uddiyana Bandha, or the diaphragm lock. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today I'm going to walk you through the diaphragm lock. To begin, we want to sit with a straight spine and exhale all of your breath. Next, we want to pull the upper abdominal muscles in towards the spine and lift them up into the thorax. The diaphragm lock needs to be done on an exhale. If it is applied during an inhale, it can overpressurize the diaphragm and the heart. If it's done on an inhale, it can cause too much pressure on the eyes and the heart. The benefits of the diaphragm lock is it can give a gentle massage to the heart muscle. It allows prana to move from the center of the chest up the spine and into the throat region. It stimulates the proper functioning of the hypothalamus, adrenal glands, and pituitary glands. Regular use of this lock can also help us feel more compassionate. While we are sitting here, we can just exhale fully, draw the abdominal muscles in and up. Then inhale. Exhale fully, draw the abdominal muscles in and up. Good job. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you loved this video. If you did, feel free to like, subscribe, share, click the notification button to see future videos, and check me out on Instagram if you like. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.